Seattle's calling, feels so right. Cloudy skies can't hide the view. Every step feels fresh and new. Walking through the morning rain, umbrella dancing down the lane. The Space Needle touches the sky, standing tall as clouds drift by. Every corner tells a story, simple moments, quiet glory. Rain or shine, we're on our way, making memories every day. Seattle, take me higher. Rain can't stop this fire. Every street, every smile makes the journey all worthwhile. From the market to the shore, always finding something more. Laughing through the misty adventures waiting everywhere. Pike plays fish go flying high. Cheers and laughter fill the sky. Fresh seafood, flowers bright. The city's full of life tonight. Coffee warms these rainy hands. Starbucks where the story began. One more cup before we go. Watching busy people flow. Clouds may cover up the sun, still the day's just begun. Rain becomes our melody. Seattle sets our spirits free. Seattle, what a beautiful day. Even when the skies are gray, Space Needle reaching blue. Every dream feels close and true. Fish are flying, coffee's brewing. Every moment something's new. Rainy days will always stay in our hearts. Seattle